Welcome back to our Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge created by everythingisart.com. If you're new here, this is Hobby 101, where we explore one Zentangle pattern a day and weave them all into a single evolving masterpiece. Let's warm up with a few SWiSit strokes before we add it into our finale piece. Today's pattern is SWiSit. It's created by Stephanie Jennifer CZT from everythingisart.com. SWiSit is a whimsical blend of spiral motion and leaf-like grace. It's part swirl, part swoosh, and totally satisfying. And here's a fun fact. The name SWiSit actually comes from swirl and sit. You start with a flowing spiral, then let your pen sit, rest into that teardrop shape. It's a pattern that literally teaches you when to move and when to pause. Start with a gentle spiral, just one loop around, then pull it out into a teardrop curve that flicks away like a leaf in the wind. Each one anchors back at a shared base. That's what gives SWiSit its flow. You can overlap them, nest them, or let them curl freely. The key is that contrast, tight swirls, against those broad curves. And when you shade the base of each curve, the whole pattern seems to lift off the page. If your spirals start wobbling a little, that's okay. Zentangle isn't about perfection, it's about rhythm. Just keep the motion smooth and breathing steady. And of course, don't forget to breathe yourself. Deep breaths in and out. Try keeping your hand relaxed as you draw the curve out of the spiral. A light touch gives you those clean, graceful lines that make SWiSit look effortless. Now that we've got the feel of SWiSit, let's see how it dances within our Inktober masterpiece. I tuck SWiSit right beside the lush, organic clusters of Ole Ole that we drew on day 12. They look very similar as they are based on free-form swirls. Together, they blend well together, structure and motion in perfect harmony. There's something meditative about these spirals, like they're exhaling as they unfold. Next to drawing orbs, For me, tangling spirals really help calm me down. Every curve feels like a breath you didn't know you needed. Notice how SWiSit bridges two sections of the tile. It's a connector, linking the geometric pattern of Zenith from day 10 and Ole Ole's dramatic swirls. Here, I added an embellishment called Nerfs, tiny dot outlines, to add interest to the swirls. Notice how the Nerf embellishment adds interest to the swirls, but it does not add weight. It keeps the tangle pattern light against all those other more dramatic tangles. See how this corner feels lighter now? SWiSit acts like a visual breath between dense areas, a moment to pause before your eyes wander again. SWiSit reminds me that not every line needs to be planned. Sometimes the best patterns emerge when you let your pen wander and see where it takes you. Lastly, I'm adding a little bit of graphite and shading at the base of the tiles and where they overlap, just for a little added depth. And that's SWiSit. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences so people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure. See you in day 18 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.